You can use autofilter or built-in comparison operators like greater than and top 10 in Excel to show the data you want and hide the rest. Once you filter data in a range of cells or table, you can either reapply a filter to get up-to-date results or clear a filter to redisplay all of the data. Let's begin. Select your header or the header of your table. Go to Data. Under Sort and Filter, click Filter. Now click on the arrow in the location where you want. In this example, we want to filter by the name of salesperson and tick everything, and I will keep just one. And the second filter which you can apply is by date in this example, and I want for 2027, and click OK. Note that you can apply as many filters as you want, depending on how many columns you have and how big is your data. To remove all the filters, you can just click Clear, and this should remove all the filters and your data should be visible again. In addition to that, you can select either or filter by text or by numbers. For example, in the first one is a text. It might be sometimes mixed text and numbers, so you can always sort, text filter, and select. If you select equals to, you can enter the value and it will filter and keep for you only anything which has or contain or equal to this value. Here are on the left additional filters: does not equal, greater than, less than, contains, etc. And it should filter for you accordingly. For numbers, you can always filter by ranges also if you wish. Click on the arrow, number filter, select between, and here is greater than, let's say, 1500, and is less than 3000. And here it has made a filter of range for you. To remove all the filters again, just click clear, and this should remove the filters for you.